Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And today, actually, Nifty and Bank Nifty both opened gap down, and they kept on continuously going down. Somebody is writing. I mean, a lot of you are saying your yesterday's video was a flop video. It didn't make sense. None of the stock worked. So see, overnight, when I made a video, it was evening, right? And overnight, the dimensions of market have changed. The entire option chain has changed. Like how the stocks were developing, that has also changed. You have to keep that in mind, right? And I have traded, I shorted Bank Nifty in the morning itself, the moment it got open. And then I did some more trades. I'm going to discuss all that. But before that, I'm your host, Dr. Seema Jain, and I'm going to be, you can follow me on my YouTube channel. You can follow me on my Telegram channel. Today morning, I gave a trade on all cargo by 274. It made a high of 288. We gave a trade on Hiromoto Corp by above 2525. It gave 25 points. We gave a stock buy on Tata.com. It gave about 5 points. We gave a buy on IGL, which gave a breakout at 3 points. So a lot of trades you will find have been given on the channel, and which result in the good trade. And we keep updating what is happening in the option chain. So today I'm going to talk about an indicator, right? And most of you say indicators don't work. It depends how you take it, how you trade it. I trade using one or two small indicators. When, like when it is a stock, I don't need an indicator. But when it is crude, when it is Nifty, when it is Bank Nifty, I definitely need the support of some indicator. Why? Because sometimes your judgment could be wrong. And but when you have a set rules, right? I have certain rules to trade in Bank Nifty. If my rules qualify, satisfy, then only I trade into them. And I'm saying because the volumes are so huge, a little support from the indicator can really help you make good and consistent money. So let's talk about, and I'm going to talk about today an indicator called Parabolic SAR. So Parabolic SAR, I'm going to present you today, and definitely you know all about me, and you can reach out to my team in any which way possible. So I just want to read out here that my Telegram channel is stockpro_official_back nifty. Just note down everything, stockpro_official_back nifty. Please type it on the browser and you will see SEBI-registered, right? There are a lot of stock pro channels which are not SEBI-registered, and we do not give back nifty option calls. So please do not pay any fake channel, right? It's your responsibility. We get so many calls that we pay to this person who's giving back nifty calls. We do not give any back nifty call. So just be careful, be a, what do you say, जागरूक इन्वेस्टर बनिए, जागरूक आप सीखिए, समझिए, एंड देन अपना पैसा कहीं पे डालिए. तो बात करेंगे आज हम, we're going to talk about parabolic SAR. It attempts to give traders an edge by highlighting the direction an asset is moving, as well as providing entry and exit points. So I'm going to tell you some finer nuances of parabolic SAR. But let's just go through the presentation, and it says that in this presentation we will look at the basics of this indicator and show how can you incorporate it in your trading strategy. We will also look at some of the drawbacks of the indicator. So now, what are the key takeaways? The parabolic SAR indicator, developed by J. Wells Wilder Jr., is used by traders to determine trend direction and potential reversal in price. The technical indicator uses a trailing stop and reverse method called SAR. Stop and reverse. That is how SAR comes. Or stop and reverse to identify suitable exit and entry points. The parabolic SAR indicator appears on a chart as a series of dots, either above or below an asset's price, depending on the direction price is moving. A dot is placed below the price when it is trending upward, and above when the price is trending in the downward direction. So now let's come to the indicator. The parabolic SAR is a technical indicator to determine the price direction of an asset, as well as draw attention to when the price is about to change the direction. So both. So I'm also gonna add some more stuff into it. You also can find out when the price is going to be trending and when the trend is getting exhausted. That also you can find out from the parabolic SAR. So it is also called stop and reversal system. And then on a chart, the indicator appears as a series of dots placed either above or the below. So as the price rises, the dot will rise as well, first slowly and then picking up the speed and accelerating with the trend. So bigger the trend, far away are the going to be the dots. So the SAR starts to move a little faster as the trend develops and the dots soon catch up to the price. So I'm going to just explain you everything more clearly. Have a look at the chart below. So when the dots come close to the price, see here, the dots have come close to the price. The dots have come close to the price. Whenever dots come to the close to the price means the trend is exhausting, right? And the direction is about to flip. Similarly, when the dots are far away, see here, the distance between the price and the dot is quite a lot. That means the trend is pretty strong. So whenever the dots come close to the price, you understand that the trend is getting exhausted. And whenever the reversal takes place, like see here, the trend looks to be very strong and there is a huge distance between the price and the dots. Similarly, so you know here price dots are below and then it got reversed. When it gets reversed, dot is pretty close to the price. Remember that whenever the reversal takes place, dot is very close to the price, and as the trend develops, it keeps moving away from the price. The dots keep moving away from the price. So we're going to understand with the help of some live examples. So this is how it looks, you know, when the dots have a gap between them, the trend will be strong. When the dots come close to the price, trend is getting exhausted. Okay, so now let's go on to the next. The following chart shows a downtrend, right? This is a downtrend, and when the dot goes above, you can just go for a short. You can keep a stop loss above the dot. So keep shifting your stop loss. When the price is here, your stop loss is going to be somewhere here. When the price comes here, your stop loss is here. When the price comes here, your stop loss is here. When the price further goes down, your stop loss is here. When price comes here, your stop loss is here. So always trail the stop loss. It helps you trailing the stop loss. When the price comes here, your stop loss is going to be somewhere here, right? And when the price comes here, your stop loss is going to be somewhere here. So keep trailing your stop loss along with the dots. That's the beauty of parabolic SAR. So this indicator is mechanical and will always be giving new signals for go long or go short. It is up to the traders to determine which trades to take and which to leave alone. For example, during a downtrend, it's better to take the short trades. So you have to find out the long-term, trend. Is the market bullish or the bearish? In case your analysis says it's bullish, then you have to do only those trades where parabolic SAR is giving you a buy signal, right? So parabolic SAR is, again, you can call it a momentum signal. It will give you how fast the stock is going to move, and one, it shows you the reversal. Second, it shows you the momentum. So it is better to take only the short trades like those shown in the chart as opposed to buy signal in case the major trend is in the downward direction. Indicators to complement the parabolic SAR. Now the question comes, is parabolic SAR alone is enough? No, parabolic SAR alone is not enough because it's going to give you many signals for buy and sell. So in our course, we have a mentor called Yogesh. He teaches a very beautiful system where we scalp any stock, not stock, but anywhere where the momentum is coming. For example, if it is crude, silver, gold, Nifty, Bank Nifty, and people make consistent money from it. Even I traded today. I'll show you my trades today, and I have made money. And as the major trend was in the negative direction, all my calls have hit the stop loss, right? See here, I lost here and I lost here, but both my put trades because the major trend, if you see here in the Bank Nifty, was a sell trend. So have a look at it. यहाँ पे आप देखोगे कि बैंक निफ्टी ने कल एक सेल का सिग्नल दिया था यहाँ से, और आज कंटिन्यूसली अपने हाई को ब्रेक नहीं किया है बैंक निफ्टी ने. Rather इसने rather it made a double top, and after that it just kind of kept going down. So this is kind of an indication that Bank Nifty plans to go down, right? And hence all my trades which were on the positive side got hit with the stop loss, and I lost money. Some, I would say, I lost because of my stupidity as well. I could have made good profit in them, but yet I lost because of some error that I committed. And other thing that I want to tell you is, do you all want to know how to know that market is going to be trending tomorrow or not? If you want to know this, please write it in the comment box. If I get about 100 comments, if I get about, a good number of likes, I will explain you how do you know whether Bank Nifty is going to be trending next day. So, it's a lot of hard work that I present you all day in and day out. And at least I need some response, because that is how the channel will come into the algo and more people will be able to watch it. So I need this support from you people. Bring the video to about 1,000 likes, and, give about 100 comments. I'm sure collectively we will grow. I will teach you how do you find whether Bank Nifty or Nifty is going to be trending next day or not. Two very important methods that I personally use, I will be explaining you, and I'm 100% sure no one in the stock market, in the space of YouTube, is explaining such a thing. So now let's get back. So in trading, it is better to have several indicators confirm a certain signal than to rely solely on the specific indicator. So to complement SAR, you can use stochastic moving average or ADX. If you haven't watched my ADX video, you can watch it from the YouTube channel. I'll just show you. So you can watch my ADX video. I have made an ADX video. 3 parts I have made. You can go and watch that video. And I'm 100% sure. See here, 1, 2, 3. These are the 3 parts that I have made for ADX. You can go and watch here. I have made a video on RS. I have made videos on Heiken-Ishii candles. Go and watch them and combine it with Parabolic SAR. And we teach in a very specific setup. In fact, I would like to show you, using our setup, people have made huge amount of money. They make huge amount of money every single day. I'll show you some of the examples here. This person has made 25,000 in the morning, and he said, you made me to make this much money in just 15 minutes. A lot of members make huge amount of money in Nifty, Bank Nifty. Here, see, this person, this is Yogesh himself, who's making good amount of money. So I'm going to just pull it here. So simple, small amount of money invested, small amount of profit book. That is what we teach. You don't need to have, several lakhs in your account to generate money, consistent money. You need to understand simple, logical way to make money. So now let me come back here, and I'm going to show you Bank Nifty, right? And how Parabolic SAR can help you. But in here, I'm going to just tell you in one context, which is option selling. I'm not telling you with respect to option buying. That is what we teach in our course. But here, what I'm teaching you is option selling. So suppose you are a Bank Nifty option seller. So what you need to do is make the time frame as 1 hour. And whatever is the Parabolic SAR, right? Parabolic SAR, whatever is the Parabolic SAR, sell those call option by morning 9:30 or 10 o'clock. So for example, on this particular day, market opened at about 36,200. You sell without fear, just sell this call option. Simply, when the Parabolic SAR is below, you need to consider 1 hour time frame, sell this put option, which is 35,300. Just wherever the Parabolic SAR is, that option call you can easily sell. Buying, how do you do? What time frame is needed? What supportive indicators you need? That is what we teach in our course, which is starting from the July 10th. And join our program. If you need to find out the link and details, you can come to our channel and talk to our team. The course name is Master Trader course, and so this is specifically with respect to option selling. For example, today in Bank Nifty, this is where the parabolic SAR was 33,500 or 600. But in fact, I would have sold 33,000 call option because the morning high was not broken and the parabolic SAR is on the top. So it simply means that Bank Nifty is basically, it's good to sell 33,000 call option. So anyway, parabolic SAR is just a confirmation of your thought process. If you think Bank Nifty is going to go down, you just be confirmed that as long as the parabolic SAR is on the top, you can remain selling your call option, and the moment it comes at the bottom, you can sell your put option. So easy methods, easy way. And once again, let me just confirm to you. So when the dots are far away, let me just mark it for you. When the dots are far away from the price, that means the momentum is going to be quite good. But when it comes to the price, close to the price, see the distance between the dot and the price is pretty much low. You can expect a kind of reversal, and then and so on and so forth. So see here, the dots are very close. The momentum may not be huge. Here the dots are very close. Momentum may not be very huge. But whenever the dots are far away, you can expect some good momentum coming in. For example, here dots are far away. So the price is pretty much trending, right? So this is how you can make, but you need some other supports as well. So keep learning, keep earning. As I have asked you, in case you want to know whether Bank Nifty or Nifty is going to be trending tomorrow, if you want to know that, please write it in the comment box. I'm not going to explain if I get less than 100 comments. I'm not going to explain if I get less than 500 comments. So I mean, it's give and take, and I'm not asking you any hard work or anything. You just need to write it in the comment box. So with this, I'm signing off, your host Dr. Seema Jain, and see you in the live channel. As I told you, you search for Nifty Stock Pro official _ Bank Nifty. This is what you need to search, and you have to find SEBI registered. If it does not have SEBI registered, then it is not my channel. So see you in the live market. We do live trading every single day. Keep learning, keep earning with Stock Pro. All the best. Take care, guys.